This stuff, it's 100% safe. It's 100% safe, not 100% safe. Don't touch. Don't do like this. And right here, we have prepared for you disassembled rear drive unit for older Tesla Model S. And here is also a lot of interesting information. So basically, there is a few main problems with the drive unit. Sometimes it's just a noise. Sometimes you get the error code. And the error code is related because your drive unit coolant liquid gets into your drive unit. Here I want to show you the main reason why the coolant gets into your drive unit. Here is a seal, and here is a cooling system. So the coolant, it's circulates through this part. And sometimes, if you can see guys, here it's getting wet. The moisture get inside, the coolant get inside, and this sensor get wet. It's just very easy to inspect this problem. We found the car here with the same issue, and right here and inside. So here is the sensor. It's located inside the car, and it's also for us. It's very easy to inspect this issue when you get your car here. If you see the sensor is wet, that means that probably there is a short.
For a second.
Short circuit. So basically, what we do, we are replacing this seal, and also we are replacing this rotor because of the wear. The rotor also wear, and it doesn't matter how good the seal is, it still needs to be fixed, the rotor. So basically, this rotor goes inside the stator, and with the magnetic like waves, magic, yeah, it spins inside. So also here we want to show you another reason why the drive units get failure. When you get some noise, so this noise is related to these bearings. So basically we have to replace the bearings. But the thing is, we are not really provide a service for the bearing replacement. We just refurbish drive units, and we are just selling the refurbished drive units with a warranty because it's a lot of liability and other stuff. This is the same bearings here you can see. We are just remove it from there. This is the part of the reduction gear, and sometimes the reduction gear also could be broken. These like parts could be broken, and then you are not able to drive at all. This is inverter. When your sealing is leaking, the coolant gets into the inverter, and that's causing a lot of problems.